Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a chocolate melter from Royal Catering. A device great for pastry shops, hotels on the dessert section, or restaurants if you do a lot of chocolate garnishes and you need tempered chocolate. Well, the tempering chocolate is not really a very hard task, but it's easy to do it wrong and it's very time consuming. You just have to stand there with a thermometer checking the temperature the whole time. With this device, it's a child's play. So let me tell you how it works, because this device is quite unique. It is a so-called dry well bain-marie. So it's a bain-marie that doesn't require any water. And let me tell you how it works. It's basically a metal box. Inside, on the very bottom, there's an aluminium plate, a so-called aluminium bed, and that's the actual heating element. It works with 250 watts of power. So it's a really efficient heating element. With no hot spots, so the aluminium distributes the heat really evenly. On the side here you'll see the thermostat, and the thermostat is touching actually one of the two containers that is included in this set. Each container has about 4 liters capacity, and that's where the chocolate goes, right? So let me put them inside and I show you how the controls work. Okay. So, as I said, the tempering chocolate is not a hard process, it's just should be very precise. So, after you've turned the device on just by flicking the red switch, you have one indicator light that indicates the device is heating up, and then you have an LCD display the way you can set the temperature. And you do it by pressing set button, and then you just go for the desired temperature. For chocolate, it's around 45 to 48 degrees in the first stage. Then you cool it down to around 31 to 35 degrees. But, well, you're the pastry chef, you know best. For milk chocolate or white chocolate, it's slightly different, so these temperatures apply for dark chocolate only. Alright, so that's about it. That's how it works. Let me just take the lids off. And this is my personal advice to you. Well, chocolate really doesn't like moisture or water. Even small amounts can damage the tempered chocolate. So when you put the lids on when the device is working, steam may condensate on the lid and may drop down into your chocolate, which is not good. So I always take them off when I'm working with it. Well, and after service, just for storing purposes, I put the lids back on. Alright, so let me just quickly summarize what we have here. You have this stainless steel construction with an aluminium heating bed with a power of 250 watts. In the set you have two gastroeconomic containers with a capacity of 4 liters each, with lids that go on top. You have very simple controls, on and off switch, indicator and LCD light just to set the temperature. And you plugged in the device in the normal wall socket and off you go. That's about it. So really sturdy construction. There's really nothing that can break, and even though the producer gives you a 3-year warranty with it, and when they send it to you, they do so in a really sturdy cardboard box with lots of packaging material in it, right? So it will stay safe on the whole way to your place. Also inside you will find this instruction manual. Please have a read before you start the device the first time. There's a lot of information on how to prepare it for its first use, what to do, what to don't do, so definitely a good read. Alright, so if you're looking for a chocolate melter or a chocolate dispenser, just have a look at the website. There's a number of these devices on offer, so you will definitely find the one that you need in your business. Well, I can only thank you guys for watching. Just remember, I'm your hands-on expert. If you need me to test any other device, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Thanks a lot, guys, and see you next time.